The Door to Hell, Turkmenistan. In the heart of the Karakum Desert, one of the largest deserts in Central Asia, there is a place that defies explanation. It is a massive crater, glowing with orange and red flames, burning day and night, year after year. Locals call it the Door to Hell. Scientists call it the Darvaza gas crater. Tourists call it one of the most unforgettable sights on Earth. But how did it begin? And why does it still burn today? The story starts in 1971, during the time of the Soviet Union. A team of geologists was exploring the Karakum Desert, searching for natural gas, a valuable resource used for energy and heating. They set up a drilling rig and began to dig deep into the earth. Everything seemed normal at first, but then something unexpected happened. The ground beneath the drilling equipment suddenly collapsed. A huge hole opened up, swallowing the rig and creating a crater about 70 meters wide. The scientists faced a serious problem. The crater was releasing natural gas, including methane, which is highly flammable and can be dangerous in large amounts. If the gas spread, it could harm people, animals, and the environment. The team had to make a quick decision. After discussing their options, they chose to set the gas on fire. Their reasoning was simple. If they burned the gas, it would be safer than letting it escape into the air. They believed the fire would last only a few days or weeks until the gas ran out. They were wrong. More than 50 years later, the fire is still burning. Day and night, the crater glows like a window into another world. At sunset, the flames dance against the darkening sky. At night, the light can be seen from kilometers away, like a beacon in the endless desert. The heat is intense. The sound is constant, a low, powerful roar that never stops. The local people, the Turkmen, gave this place its famous name, the Door to Hell. In their culture, fire can symbolize both destruction and purification. To them, this endless flame feels ancient, mysterious, almost supernatural. Scientists have studied the crater many times. They explain that the fire continues because the underground gas pocket is much larger than anyone expected. The flames keep feeding on the gas that rises from deep below the earth. Several attempts have been made to extinguish the fire. Engineers have tried to cover the crater. They have tried to cut off the gas supply, but nothing has worked. The pressure from below is too strong. The fire always finds a way to burn. Some experts believe the crater may eventually burn out on its own when the gas finally runs dry. But no one knows when that will happen. It could be in 10 years. It could be in 50 or longer. Today, the Door to Hell is more than a scientific curiosity. It has become a symbol of human uncertainty in the face of nature's power. It reminds us that even with advanced technology, we cannot always predict or control the Earth's secrets. The site also attracts adventurers and travelers from around the world. Visitors camp near the crater, watching the flames under a sky full of stars. They take photos, share stories, and wonder about the forces that keep this fire alive. The door to hell remains one of Earth's most striking wonders. A fire that never ends. A crater that tells a story of discovery, decision, and consequence. And a reminder that sometimes the most unforgettable places are born from unexpected moments. What would you do if you stood at the edge of this burning crater? Would you feel fear, curiosity, awe,